Starries. Nice. I like Moonstar. Very nice color. You guys probably can't see it that well, but it's a nice little glimmer. And my favorites are always like stuff like this. Yeah, I like neutrals. Alright, so that's the first thing in the box, and this is Item Beauty by Addison Rae, and this palette is $24. Okay, so that's the first thing in the box. Paper. Next thing I see in the box, gel mask, hydrating cucumber melon. Oh God, they love to send you stuff for your face, but okay. Here we go. Let's see what this is, and this is gel mask. What is this called? Reveal gel mask. And this, if I could get it out the freaking box, this costs $28. Reveal beautiful, hydrated, and glowing skin with this refreshing and revitalizing spa water gel mask. Fortified with you guys know that word, hyaluronic acid, cucumber, and melon extracts. It refines the skin with hydration for finer looking. Of course, I'm going to use my palette, so that's a must. And this product was $28 for this Reveal Gel Mask. And what kind of boxing is this? For the neutral look. And this is the pencil, the Velvet Duo. Does it say Duo? No, it's just a Velvet lip liner, and it's by Velvet. I am guessing I don't see it on here. Sometimes it's so hard for me to find the stuff on here, guys. You guys gotta bear with me. Okay, it's by Ciate London. Achieve velvety soft lips with this lip liner. The soft, matte, intensely pigmented formula glides epically onto your lips to perfectly define or reshape your lips. The perfect pout is just a stroke away, and this cost $18, guys. They give you a lot of, there's the product. I wish I can, I'll be on cam soon, guys, showing you guys, you know, doing it better for you guys real soon. Don't worry. Yeah, but that's it, I want to say. Excuse my veiny hands. All right, so that's the 1, 2, 3, 4th product. And yeah, they usually send you 5. So this is the last product in the box, and this is a hydrating lip balm. This one looks nice. And it's by Luna Magic Beauty Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. A hydrating sheer lightweight balm that leaves lips soft and lush. Infused with vitamin E to nourish the lips, and formulated with jojoba oil to heal dry lips and helps lock in moisture. And guys, you know it is winter time, so you guys are gonna be needing this. My nails are not fully dry, but that's why I'm having a hard time opening this box. All right, so here we go. That's the first item on the pink side, cherry, and this is the mango. Come on, mango. You men always want to go somewhere. Come on, you coming with me. Get out. All right, here we go. So we have 2 of the Luna Magic. One is cherry, one is mango. I like the mango look so far. Let's see. Well, it's just a regular lip. Oh, but it's nice and thick. It smells good. It doesn't have a taste, guys. Yes, guys, I tasted it to make sure it didn't have a taste. If it did, it would have been fine too, but I'm not gonna lie, I need a lip gloss, and if I'm gonna get lip gloss, might as well get it from Boxycharm. Ooh, this one has like a tint. Yeah, that one has like a tint. Really moisturizing on the lips. Real moisturizing on the lips, guys. I'll get on cam for you guys soon, for you guys. Next Boxycharm, or next unboxing. I don't know what I'm gonna be unboxing yet, but I'm not gonna lie. I think I gotta go into Boxycharm, guys, and fix my profile, because they're not sending me any mascara. And if you guys go back and watch any of my Boxycharm videos, you guys know I be begging for mascara. And talk about begging. Hit the like on this video, please. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And my name is Alicia Handles It. On my channel, I do unboxings, reviews. Mostly I do tutorials and how-tos on wigs, cutting class, anything to do with hair, beauty. I'm down for it. So come over and subscribe, join the squad, we're the handlers, and we'll love on you over here. Okay, guys? So like I'm saying, you have to make sure that your profile in Boxycharm is up to par of what you like, because they will send you things you're like, what? But I mean, all this stuff is good. Like, there's things in there you might not like, but a family member or a friend will definitely like, you know? So I feel like these 2 items will go very well together. The lip liner that they sent me and these both lip glosses. So I like this. I like the gel mask because it's really clear. It feels refreshing and it doesn't feel heavy, like it will give me a breakout or anything. The cheek duo is awesome. It's very awesome, but what I will do is watch a video on how they apply this and where it goes and how it goes. Yeah, that's what I would do with this. But I love the packaging. I don't love this packaging. Boxycharm, you gotta do better. You got to do better. But as far as the actual casing and packaging, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I like these, and Boxycharm sends you a palette every single month, so you will not need to buy a palette. And I already said that In one of my future videos, I'm just gonna do a video of all the palettes that Boxycharm has ever sent me. So if I was to pick my favorite things out of this box, I would have to say it's these items right here. And this. I love this. I really need to find out how to use this the proper way. I got a glow stick from Boxycharm a couple of boxes ago, and this reminds me of it a lot. On one side of the stick, it's like this, and on the other side of the stick, it has like, you know, a blushy type look. I'm liking this, so I'll give this box, if I was rated to a 10, I'll give this box, I want to say, a 7.5, because Boxycharm really sends you nice stuff. But I'm not going to lie, guys, I'm really in love with these. So that was my November melanin box for November 2022, guys. I know it's late, but hey, better late than never, right? So I'm going to enjoy these items. I'm going to figure out what I really want, which I think I want everything in this box. So you guys subscribe to Boxycharm. If you're low on makeup, if you don't know what to start with, they send you everything you need as long as you fill out your profile the right and correct way. Okay, guys? So head over to Boxycharm and tell them that Alicia Handles It sent you. And remember, subscribe to the channel, come over and watch other videos, and you'll enjoy us over here, all right? I was going to say, all right, Boxycharmers, okay, well, let me say that anyway. Okay, Boxycharmers and handlers, come on. Get the handlers over here to watch the Boxycharm videos, and Boxycharmers, get your charmers to go over to the handlers and watch those videos, and we'll all be one big happy family. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!